see at my doorstep. So this bumper came really fast, but am I tripping? This is a little box for that right there. So if that's a bumper, they used to pack for a drug cartel or something. Anyway, hold this. Let's get it opened up real quick. God dang, they what the hell that bumper. Alright, so it looks the same. Clearly needs a wash, but I'm gonna sit it out in the backyard and let it expand. I might get it on tonight, might not. So we'll see. Alright y'all, so we let the bumper get some heat on it in the sun. So again, it's just super dusty. So we're gonna try to change the radiator support. I got that in the house, and hopefully we can get this bumper on. And my main goal is, by changing the radiator support, I hope that fixes the hood alignment. So if you remember, the hood was kind of off, so hopefully that's all we need. But anyway, we're gonna get on with the install. Hopefully we'll be good. Got a dead lizard around there. Alright, here is the new radiator support. Just this little simple piece. So hopefully by getting that on, it's gonna fix this alignment, because without the hood latch on, the hood sits down perfect. But we'll see. Let me go ahead and get on with this. Alright, so here's the new radiator support versus the old one. I can't tell from here if there's something wrong with that one. Yeah, I'm looking at them. I don't see. So hopefully it was bent. Like I said, hopefully this is the problem with the hood. This is what the car looks like. I just pulled the bumper off. It was only screwed in with the headlight mounting points. This is the hood latch. So, man, hopefully that's the problem. So we're gonna go ahead and, it's pretty easy. This is the brake bolt on. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything swapped. And then the hood latch, I got it. You see how the bolts are out. Hopefully the bolts are still up on the wiper tray. We'll put those in, see if we can get this hood to close. So hopefully this is it, guys. All right, check me out, gang. Perfect gaps. Perfect. Hood tight. Now I don't have this support bar on yet, just because I want to make sure that everything is gonna fit like it's supposed to. So, and somehow I've misplaced my bolts that I need, or that I had things organized for. But I think it's just this bar that's messed up, because I'm pretty sure this went down to the bottom and this was right here. But anyway, the hood is closed in this latch, so I'm gonna have to pull the bumper off again because I got new headlight washers coming. But I'm about to go ahead and attach the bumper, and man, it's a great sign to see. So I just need to figure out how to get this bar like it needs to be. I don't know if this is just bent out of shape or what. It's crazy. But anyway, the hood is down. I mean, I'm good with that gap. So yeah, I'm gonna pop the hood, make sure it pops. I got to put the little safety latch on right here for the hood, and then that should be pretty much it, and it should start looking like a car again. Y'all always be sure to keep up with your stuff. My neighbor cutting grass behind me. I can't find the little thing that go up there, the little safety latch. I got the bolt for it. It's still in the hood, and as you can see, I broke a bolt off right there. But I'm about to just get on with taking the parking sensors out of this bumper, transferring them over to the new bumper, getting the fog lights put in, basically just getting this bumper ready, and then getting this bumper hung onto the car. So let's get on with that. Alright y'all, so we got all the parking sensors back in, got the lower grill in, the fog lights. This fog light actually has a broken tab that holds it on right here. But I think what I might end up doing, since I got to take the bumper back off, is just putting a screw through right there. Get to the front. Just want to see how close the bumper match. So this is the original parking sensor, and it looks like it's pretty close. Maybe it's dirty, so it's hard to tell. See the fog light just dangling. So I'm gonna fix that. But we got it all back together. So we're gonna throw it on the car. See what it's starting to look like.